To conclude the transcription job training, I am going to show you a website that will make things easy for you. This is a website that actually converts the voice notes into text format automatically for you, so you don't need to be listening to the voice note or the audio, and it will automatically just do everything for you. You pick up what this artificial intelligence has done, and if there is need, you make some little edit. It makes the job very, very, very easy and fast for you. And the website is otter.ai, otter.ai, and this is the website here. This is the website. So you can just sign up. It is free to sign up. But if you come down here under product and click on pricing and go in here, you'll discover that you pay $8.33 a month for one user, depending on the package you are going for. Now the free one is this. It's limited actually, but it's enough for you. They only give you 600 minutes per month. 600 minutes is about 10 hours of transcription per month. So they just give you just 600 minutes, right? For this one, 6,000 minutes, then 6,000 minutes, and these are all the features. So you just go through them. This particular artificial intelligence software, this app, will make things easy for you, for those that are interested in the transcription jobs. And it's actually a good thing. This transcription job, I believe many of you will find it easy. Now you want to be paying monthly, this is it. You want to be paying annually for 1 year, the price slashes down. So with this, we come to the end of transcription jobs, and I believe that many of you are going to be interested in this, because if you look at it, it's actually easy. The only work here is that you have to go through all those tutorials, pass the test, so that you'll be able to know how to do the jobs accurately. So a very big thank you to you. I'll see you on the paid article video tutorial.